Hey guys, I am so excited about today's video. It is going to be a giveaway! Yay! This is like my favourite type of video to do with you guys because you're all so lovely and kind and you leave the nicest messages on my Instagram and my YouTube and just everything, so I want to give back to you. And I thought, why not? It's Christmas. Who doesn't like gifts on Christmas? So today's giveaway is going to be slightly different from most giveaways. I don't actually even see many of these on YouTube at all either. So I'm so excited. It is going to be a surprise Christmas giveaway. So I'm not going to tell you guys what's in the giveaway because I want it to be like a Christmas surprise. So when you get it, you open it up, you have no idea and you're like, oh my god, this is so cool. So I'll tell you guys how much it's worth-ish though. So the main giveaway prize is going to be worth around $175 to $200. So excited to give that away, and of course it's beauty related. There's some really good things in it as well, so I'm so happy to be able to give this to you guys. And then this is the other really cool part, which is like another bonus, I guess. If we get this video to over 100 likes, I will do a second prize. So there will be like a bigger chance for you guys to win a beauty box giveaway surprise Christmas treat. There was a long word, but like I said, if we get this video to over 100 likes, there'll be 2 prizes that you can potentially win. So make sure to thumbs up down below so you get a bigger chance to win a gift. Basically, for this giveaway, there's a couple of things that you need to do to enter. And of course this is a giveaway for my subscribers because I want to share the love back to you guys, for the people that support me and my channel. So you do need to be a subscriber of my channel, Hey Gorgeous XXX, which I'll leave everything down below so you know exactly what to do as well. And then you also need to be following me on Instagram. So my Instagram is again Hey Gorgeous XXX. Again, I'll leave it down in the bottom bio bar thing, whatever you want to call it. So you guys just have to click on the links, subscribe to my YouTube, follow me on Instagram, and then you're in. I will say, if you guys want to be seen more, leave a comment down below and let me know what your traditions are where you live. So tell me where you live in the world and what your Christmas traditions are, so then I know what you guys get up to over the Christmas period, and I can also see your comment, your name. It makes it a lot more easier for me to find a giveaway winner because you're so visual down below. So if you guys want to be seen loud and proud, make sure you leave a comment down below, and like I said, let me know where you're from and your Christmas or holiday traditions that you guys do, because here in New Zealand I know we're quite different from a lot of places. We are literally going into the middle of summer when it comes to Christmas, so it's nice and hot, the sun's out, it's like a barbecue that you basically have. For my family, we always have a Christmas lunch, so much food, but it's a barbecue. So let me know what you guys get up to over Christmas. As you can see, I'm so excited that I'm like blah, 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 can't even speak. So like I said earlier, make sure you follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you want to make it really obvious who you are so you have a better chance to win, leave a comment down below and let me know where you're from in the world and what you do over the holiday period. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because like I said, that means that I will do 2 giveaway prizes instead of 1, so you'll have a bigger chance to win. Anyway, I wish you all the best of luck. Whoever wins, good job. There'll be so many more giveaways to come. I really want to start doing every couple of months next year, so make sure you guys keep subscribed so you don't miss out on the next one. Again, I appreciate all of your support. It's so nice to see your comments and things, and I've really started trying to make sure that everyone that comments on my videos, I try and check out their channel too. So make sure if you leave comments on my videos, particularly my latest ones as well, I'll see you and then I can check out your guys' YouTube channels as well. I hope you're having a great day and I will see you guys next time. Bye!